Phrasal verbs used by native speakers. Belong to. This book belongs to her. He belongs to a local volleyball club. Clean something up. Let's clean the kitchen up before heading out to the supermarket. We need to clean up this mess. Chip in. Feel free to chip in if you have any ideas. Let's chip in to buy a birthday present for her. Call out. He called out to her from across the busy street. People were calling him out on Instagram for his negative comments. Call by. You should call by your office to pick up the documents. I'll call by your office after lunch. Check out someone/something. Parents should check out the preference of our children. There is a new restaurant in town, let's go and check it out. Catch up. Run slowly, I can't catch up with you. I have to catch up on my homework. Do up. He spent 2 months to do up the old house. Do up your coat, it's cold outside. Delight in. He delights in seeing his children healthy. He delights in teasing his baby. Do in. That long trip really did me in. The sudden rain did our plans for a beach party in. Pick up on. He was very quiet, but she picked up on how nervous he looked. His teacher picked him up on his pronunciation. Go along. I'll go along with your ideas. Her project is going along nicely. Go away. Please just go away and leave me alone. They are going away to the beach for a few weeks. Set someone up. He set me up, I didn't steal the bag. My friend is setting me up with her sister. Shop around. Don't just buy the first shoes you see, shop around to find a better price. It always pays to shop around for the best deal on insurance. Take 2. He took to her immediately when they met. The villagers took to the hills for safety when the flood hit. Tear up. He decided to tear up the old contract and start over. She always tears up whenever she watches a romantic movie. Pick on. He gets picked on by the other classmates because he's so small. Don't pick on him just because he made a mistake. Wear out. He ran so much that he wore out his shoes. Working extra hours wore her out. Sum up. To sum up, we need more investment in alternative energy. I will try to sum up the main points.